We really want our kids to have exposure to as many different types of technology as possible. We use our after-school program to really give them some of those experiences.
The main STEAM class that we have in our after-school program is our GenTech class, where our students participate in doing some coding.
GenTech is a company that we started, myself and 22 high school kids. The company is offering tech support to the community. We have kids programs at the store. Washington Elementary School District reached out to us and they welcomed us into their school community.
GenTech has been a part of our program for about a year now, and the students have been overwhelmingly excited.
The instructors for the after-school programs are technology majors at colleges and universities in the area. They know the relevant coding for the careers that Arizona and the nation are actually looking for. And kids are eating it up. It's created a real bond with them and the kids.
It's just gonna wait 1 second.
Let's go and try it out, see how it works.
It's helped them become very strong critical thinking and problem-solving students. Very encouraging to watch them help each other and reach out.
Will they be at the same time? Yeah. You have to just make the same code.
It's benefiting the instructors and the students at the same time.
This was really a great opportunity to challenge kids to think outside of what they think they can do. I'm sure it'll have a waiting line for another year.